This has been a 260 Studios production. Last time on 216 CE, we were introduced to our 30 contestants for the very first time on 216 CE. For their first challenge, they participated in an outdoor racing tournament. And let me tell ya, it was really crazy and bizarre, considering the many crazy and bizarre events that happened throughout the race. In the end, Lily, Shadow, and Danny Phantom were the first 3 members to cross the finish line, got to be the team captains, and will get to pick the team this episode. What will our teams be named, and how much craziness will the next challenge get? Well, you're about to find out, right here on this episode of 260 Studios Character Elimination. Alright, contestants, it's now time for you to pick the teams. We'll start with you, Larry, since you crossed the finish line first. Aha! Zeg, 1, you're on my team. Yee! Yes! Bowser, come join me. Hey! Star, you seem like you can fit in. You're in. Yay! How about Bubbles and Hal? That sounds good. Yes! How about Wario and Waluigi? Yes, that sounds good. Wah-ha-ha! Now, who else? Petty. Yes. Alright. Shall we have Mario and Sonic join us? Oh yeah. Let's go. Yes. Who do you think we should pick? Toad. Harold? Yes. Yo, Pikachu. Red. Join us. Alright. Pika. Who else do you think we should have? Kirby? Yeah. Poyo. How about Owen and Fiery? Yeah! I can't wait. We only have 1 slot left. Luigi, join us. Yahoo! No surprise their team was first to be completed. Shall we have Knuckles? Yes! Haha! If Larry's team chose Knuckles and Shadow's team chose Sonic, wait, it was the other way around. Let's have Tails! Yeah! Well, how about Leafy? Yes! Doo-dang! Excellent! Fluttershy, Link, and come join us. Alright. Yay! Let's pick Yoshi. Alright, so there are only 2 contestants remaining. Who should we pick? Pac-Man or Donkey Kong? I'd say Pac-Man. Yes! Woo! Then Donkey Kong is on our team. Yeah, man. Alright, the team members have been chosen. So now, it is time to choose your team name. Alright, so what do you guys have for lunch yesterday? I had McDonald's and French fries. Ooh, you mean French fries at McDonald's? Oh yeah, French fries are the best. I remember making that French fry taco back in SACE episode 5. Then I hereby declare our team the French Fry Warriors. Alright, any team name we should have? Okay, I suggest we don't go for the pizza guys. Yeah, considering as to how we're not an SACE. Well, excuse me. I just had some hot dogs yesterday. Hot dogs. Thanks, Evie. You're welcome, I guess? Alright, what did you guys have for lunch yesterday? I had some onion rings. Well, I had beef with onions. Onion sounds good. How about onion crewmates? Yeah. Okay, so your team names have been chosen. Lily's team is the French Fry Heroes. Shadow's team is the Hot Dog Heroes. Wait, it was French Fry Warriors. And Danny Phantom's team is the Onion Crewmates. So, I say you teams are ready to go, right? Yeah, we are. Then it's time for the first challenge. Yo, check out the beautiful scenery here. Yeah, I agree. So, what are we doing at this lake anyway? Great question, Pac-Man. The second challenge is to go fishing. Oh, goody. I can't wait. Say, bro. Alright, here's how the challenge will work. All 30 of you, now divided into teams, will each get a fishing rod of your own. You'll dip the fishing rod into the water, and when you feel something tugging on it, that's the time to pull it out. Take your fish to the weighing scale and dump it. The number of that is shown on the weighing scale will be the points you earn for your team. The team with the most points at the end will be the winner and will get to host a big barbecue for all the contestants. Oh boy, I can't wait. Yeah, bro. One more thing. The team with the lowest score at the end of the challenge will be in big trouble, and will have to face the consequences next episode. One of your members will be kicked out of the show. Uh-oh, I wouldn't want that to happen to our team. Same, bro. So, are you excited? Yeah. Then let's start the challenge. Whoa. Oh, and if you fell into the water like Fiery did, you're out of the challenge. Booyah! 23 points! Let's see if this chest tank one will work. Yes! Now to take it to the weighing scale. So I just have to push this reverse button and 36 points. We try toe hook. Uh-oh. Here. Wah! Wah! Alright, what the shark up to? I knew this animation error would happen. Alright, let's try my Thunderbolts. And that's it for the challenge. Alright, let's take a look at the scores. Ding! So, it looks like the Onion Crewmates win, the French Fry Warriors are okay, and the Hot Dog Heroes are up for elimination. Oh man, I can't believe we lost the challenge. Yeah, but the scarier part is that one of them members will be kicked out of the show. Stay tuned next episode, guys. Attention everyone. It is now time to vote. Here are the members of the Hot Dog Heroes. Shadow, Bowser, Wario, Waluigi, Toad, Kirby, Knuckles, Eevee, Yoshi, and Donkey Kong. One of them will be the first to leave 216 CE. But since Shadow was one of the first three to cross the finish and became the team captains, he gets immunity. Yes. Alright, I can't believe we won the challenge. Barbecue, here we come. Well, at least we still had a lot of fun, right? Yes sirree, Bob. Vote by using a letter in square brackets in the comment section and / or a link in the description for who you want to be eliminated or to win the prize. Whoever gets the most votes will be the first contestant eliminated, and the other will win the prize. And make sure to type out the name of a non-competing SACE or ZDCE contestant to hand out the prize next episode. Remember, voting ends on April 7th at 12 AM SG time. Do 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 do. So, any thoughts on the barbecue? It's really amazing. Yeah, I agree. Danny, your barbecue is the best. Something tells me your team is gonna be great cooking team one day. Thanks.